Hello everyone, welcome back. So this will be a short video. I just wanted to teach you a STL function which I think you should be familiar with when you're starting out, which is this function is iota function. Now this function is actually used a lot of times where you're dealing with this permutation, right? So what is a permutation? A permutation is simply any reordering of numbers in range 1 to so on till n, right? So in questions related to this, there is more often than not a need where you will need a array such that array of I is equal to I. Right now, of course, you can run a for loop and all, but I just wanted to show you a quick one-liner using which you can achieve that. So it can be achieved using this iota function in which you just pass your array bounds. So array plus n. So I'm talking about array. Okay, this is not a vector. And then you can just tell the initial value, maybe 1. So what it will do is it will initialize the array with values 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till n. Let's see a coding example for this as well, right? So you'll understand it. Let's just see. Okay, yeah. So this is a question like I would like you to try after this video is ended, like this wrong binary search. I'll probably share the link to it, which will actually help you solidify the understanding of this, you can say, STL function. Now, let me just show you the use of this iota function. So, let's just say I have a vector here, a vector of int, which I call it permutation, and it is of size 5. Now, what you want to do is, maybe let me just call it a size n, okay? Int n equals to 5, and this is a size 5 permutation or yeah. And now what I want to do is I want to initialize this permutation with values 1 to 5. Now you can run a for loop and all, but there is even a simpler approach in iota. You can just pass p dot begin, p dot end, and the initial value I want it to be 1. After you do this, and once you see the values of this permutation, you will see that you will have values from 1 to 5. So p of I followed by space. Let's just run it and see. This is exactly how it should be. Yeah, right. So if you initialize it from 0, it will be from 0 till 4, right? That is also one thing. Cool. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I I've been using this function a lot. So I thought maybe I just share you. This function is very important, and it is used a lot of times, right? And yeah, to wrap this video up, I would like you to try this question, like wrong binary search, and let me know your thoughts. So I've just given a spoiler. You will use that iota function. But this is an interesting question. Give it a thought and let me know in the comment section how you get this one.